Hi, it's Grace. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your first page and how to add a few paragraph types to it on your new website. The easiest way to add a new page to your site is to navigate to the Content Overview page, found by clicking on the Content menu icon. From here, you can click on the Add Content button and select what type of page you would like to create. For this tutorial, I'll be working with a basic page template. Once you have given your new page a title and quick summary, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Add Paragraph button. You can search for a specific paragraph type you would like to add in the Find Paragraph search bar, or you can browse the selection in the pop-up window. To add the paragraph type of your choosing, simply click on it. You can rearrange the order that paragraph types appear on your page by dragging them up and down. Remember to click on the Save button after doing this for your changes to appear. In the right side menu, you can use this drop-down to set the status of your page, making sure to select Publish when you want the page to appear on your site. When you're done, you can preview your page, and don't forget to save it before you finish. That concludes this summary of creating your first page and adding a paragraph type. Check out the rest of our training guide for an in-depth look at each of the content and paragraph types. I'll see you in the next video.